So here our today's topic is about fixed beam carrying a triangular load at a given distance from end A. So a fixed beam AB of span L, it carries a triangular load at a distance A from end A. So in the last topic we discussed about it varies 0 to end A to the W per unit run at the other end B. But here it consists only at a distance A from one end. So same procedure here also. First of all, consider a section XX at a distance X from end A. So already we know at A distance the load intensity will be W per unit run. But what about X distance? For span A distance the load intensity will be W. And what about X distance? I am taking here question mark. So after that cross multiply this one. A into question mark, that will be equal to W into X. So take down question mark outside. W into X by A. So here the load intensity at section X will be W into X by A. So for A distance the load will be W. For X distance the load will be W by total distance into that particular distance. So here I am considering a small elemental strip which is at a distance dx. So what is the load for that particular strip? See here, for the span of A, the load will be W. For the span of X, the load will be W by total distance into that particular distance. What about for the span of dx? This total load intensity into that particular distance. So you will remember like that easily. So this one will be at a distance X from end A and this will be L minus X. So total span is L. So here end A, B, I am taking small elemental strip. So therefore you will get small elemental strip movement, not entire movement. Then here small elemental strip movement. So first of all, here I am taking small elemental strip and then I am finding movement for the small elemental strip. Then I will distribute that elemental strip to the total distance. Then you will get a total fixing moment at A and B. So I am writing small elemental strip movement A value. So DMA equal to, so this will be in the form of eccentric concentrated load. So W into A into B square by L square. In our case W will be Wx by A into dx. A is equal to X. B is L minus X whole square by L square. So then take down movement at B side. W into B into A square by L square. So Wx by A into dx. L minus X into X square by L square. Then apply the total fixing moment. So I am taking total fixing moment. So total fixing moment I am taking MA. So 0 to A distance into small elemental strip, that is DMA. So here I am taking 0 to A. That small elemental strip will be here. So I am simplifying directly here. W by A into L square. So X into X square into L minus X whole square into dx. So simplify this one. So MA equal to So I am taking W by A into L square outside, 0 to A, x square into L square plus x square minus 2lx into dx. So simplify this one again. W by A into L square, 0 to A, x square L square plus x power 4 minus 2l x cube into dx. So then apply the integration for the x terms. So L square common here. Integral of x square equal to x cube by 3 plus here x power 5 by 5 minus 2l x power 4 by 4. So then upper limit minus lower limit. So wherever x, take down x equal to a first time minus take down x equal to 0. Then you will get total terms 0 here for the lower limit. So apply upper limit here. W by A into L square. L square into wherever x, take a. So L square into a cube by 3 plus a power 5 by 5 minus 2 into L into a power 4 by 4. So here 1 times 2 times. So I am taking here MA equal to W by A into L square. Again I am taking common term outside. So first of all take down LCM here. So 315 into 2, 30, your LCM will be 30. So you will get 10 times. So here 5 into 6, 6 times of a power 5 minus 2 times, means 2 into 15 times of L into a power 4. So I am writing here. So take down 30 outside, a into L square. Again, so here a cube term will be possible to take outside, common. Then 10 into L square plus 6 into a square, because I am taking a cube outside here, minus 15 into L into a. So again cancel this value, a into a cube means a square you will get. So W a square by 30 into L square. So 10L square plus 6a square minus 15 into L into a. So this is your movement at A. Okay, then take down total fixing movement for B. So here I am applying total fixing moment for B, MB. That is 0 to A into D into MB. See here, W by A into L square. I am simplifying directly and substituting here. So 0 to A, W into x cube, x into x cube means x cube into L minus x into dx. So simplify this term, you will get easily. So MB equal to W by A into L square. So x cube into, so 0 to A, x cube into L minus x power 4 into dx. So then apply the integration for the x terms. W by A into L square. So L into x power 4 by 4 minus x power 5 by 5. So 0 to A. So again upper limit minus lower limit. So for lower limit entire term will be 0 because x equal to 0. So here for the upper limit x equal to A. W by A into L square. L into A power 4 by 4 minus A power 5 by 5. Again W by A into L square 20 times LCM 5 into L into A power 4 minus 4 times A power 5. See here I am simplifying this side. W by A into L square. Again take down common term. So I am taking outside W 20 value. 20 into A into L square. Again common term will be A power 4 you will get outside. So then 5 into L into A. 5 into L only. Minus here 4 into A. So cancel the terms wherever possible. So you will get WA cube by 20L square into 5L minus 4A. So this is your fixing moment at B.